Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit new, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button right here. Once you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here tap on the settings icon. In settings, select the display option, then scroll down, find the brightness option and tap on it. And right here you can swipe up and down on the screen to scroll through the list of options. You have different levels of brightness. Also you have a preview, so if you select one, it's kind of dim, then it gets brighter with every level, as you can see. Select the level you like, then tap on the OK to confirm, like this. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face, like that. And that's how you change or rather adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.